Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a brand new Amazon Prime unboxing, unbagging video. And I just opened this a little bit to see if this was something I could open on camera or not. And it is, so let's grab this. I'm so excited about this, you guys. So this is the brand new Paul Rubens watercolor set. This is the 5th generation artist level solid watercolor pigments, and I'm super excited because I just bought their other set a few weeks ago. I don't even know if that's out on the channel yet, and this probably won't go out on the channel for a while because I've been recording like crazy trying to prepare so I could go out to my camp for the month of August and usually the first week of September as well. It all depends on the weather. But anyway, I really love my other set of Paul Rubens. I've been using them every single day because it's World Watercolor Month. And this set was the set that I wanted, that I didn't get, because the set I got was $29. And when this came out, it was $69.99, which is $70 Canadian. But then Amazon Prime Days happened, and this went on sale. So it was $55. So instead of paying $70, I paid $55. So I thought, you know what? I checked the colors, and all of the colors in this set, I think all but 3 are different than the set that I have. So that means I'm going to have all their colors. So I'm really excited. And look at this beautiful box. It's gold and black. Now, I had a hard time deciding whether to get the gold and black and the pink and black. But because my other set of Paul Rubens is in a black tin, I thought I'll stick with the black theme, even though I love pink. But look how beautiful that looks. Isn't that gorgeous? They have really nice branding. My other box is just solid black. So this is called the YouLan set. I don't know if you could see that. YouLan by Paul Rubens. And I'm really excited to see the colors. So let's open this up. And the way they send everything is so nice. Like, these would make beautiful gifts. If you have an artist in your life who wants to do watercolor or who just wants to start learning watercolor, this would be an absolutely beautiful gift. Look how nicely these are packaged. Do you guys see that? They wrap them in a little microfiber towel. And it's got the Paul Rubens branding on it, the eye. Super cool. So you just open it. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look how beautiful that tin is. I'm so glad I got the black and gold. I almost got the pink. A lot of people were buying the pink that I saw on YouTube, but not a lot of people got the black and gold. And I thought, you know what? I have to get this one because it was just calling to me. Normally, I always would have got the pink because I love pink. But this is so pretty. Just the way they package these is so just really nice. I mean, that doesn't affect the quality of the paint, but these are really nice quality paints, you know? So anyway, look at this tin. Okay, this is hands down the prettiest tin I own. Hands down. This is beautiful. So let me see if I can get this really close on camera for you. Now here's the bottom. It's got a ring. So you can hold your finger in here and hold it. And it's not going to fall anywhere, which is really nice. I'm just going to take that out. My fingers are really big, so I don't use those rings. And I don't ever hold my tins. I have them down on a table when I'm working. So then we have the branding in here again. Nice weight on the inside, weight painted tin. And here we have the colors, and you can see they come all wrapped. So I was holding up some paint to show you, and my eyesight's so bad I couldn't tell that I was holding it upside down. I don't know if the camera is going to focus on here. But these do give you all the information that you could ever need. And I really like that the colors just pop right out. You don't have to unpeel them. Like, And I just don't want to drop it, but they just pop right out like that. So we will be doing a swatching together. And after I work with them for a while, I'll do a review of the colors and also my other set. But look at these beautiful 24 colors. I'm so excited. And most of these are different colors than what I already bought. A lot of these are single pigment colors, and all of the pigment information is available on their website. There are some that are not single pigment colors. They already mix them, so we don't have to mix them ourselves, which is nice. But yeah, you get 3 yellows, some oranges, reds and pinks, blues. There's some convenience greens already, browns, and it looks like a burnt umber and a black. And my other set, I have the Payne's Gray. Yeah. And I think indigo is the one of the colors that they doubled. I also have indigo in the other set, and I love indigo. So that's nice because indigo, I think, is my favorite color in the other set. Although I love them all, but the indigo is really striking. So I can't wait to try these out, you guys. I'm so excited. So unfortunately, Prime Day is over. So you're not going to get these for $55 right now. They are back up to 70 Canadian. So $69.99 Canadian for these right now. But yeah, I will let you know how I like these. Thank you so much for spending time with me. I hope you like that. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe. Hit the notification bell. All of those good things that help me as a channel. And have a really great day, whatever you're doing. And thank you so much for spending part of that day with me. All right, guys. Take care. Stay safe and happy crafting. Bye, guys.